The first case of monkeypox in a person under the age of 18 has been detected in New York State. This follows a recent discovery that there have been some racial disparities in vaccinations here in the city. Our Arnold Davick joins us now from a clinic in Chelsea with the very latest on this. Arnold.
Rocco, good morning. Yeah, New York State continues to be at the top of the list with the most cases in the country. But a little bit of good news is that the number of cases being tested here in the city is on a downward trend. But this also comes as we're hearing that the first test came back positive in a person that's under the age of 18. Now, here in the city, we've seen more than 2,500 cases as of August 19th. Anyone can get this disease. Symptoms can include flu-like symptoms, but of course, a rash that can initially look like pimples or blisters is the main sign of this infection. It spreads through close personal and often skin-to-skin contact, coming in direct contact with the rash of an infected person or objects and fabrics that have been exposed to a rash. Now, with the start of the fall semester around the corner, colleges have been monitoring the outbreak. Speaking with an official with CUNY, here's what they had to say about how the outbreak might impact students.
I think the most important thing that a university like ours should do is disseminating accurate information. Early on, the fact that the early wave of the viral infection was occurring amongst men that have sex with men may have been misconstrued by the public as a sexually transmitted infection, which it is not.
Now, 63,000 doses have gone into arms, according to the City Health Department, 92% of them going to the LGBTQ plus community. Now the city is trying to focus on getting these vaccines out in a more equitable way because they say only about 23% of them have been administered to people in the Latino community, 12% to black New Yorkers, whereas 45% have been administered to white New Yorkers. So now the city is looking to invest $5 million in organizations, to more than 24 organizations that will focus on getting these vaccines out to the LGBTQ plus communities, but also BIPOC communities, hoping to get these vaccines out in a more equitable way. That's the latest here in Manhattan. Arnold Davick, New York 1.
Arnold, thank you so much.